Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to simplify a quadratic expression by collecting the like terms. Now, in this expression, where are the like terms? Very good. The y square. I have a negative 1y square and a positive 4y square. This will give me 4 minus 1. Yep. 3y square, and there is a constant here, negative 3, and we are done simplifying this quadratic expression because there is no more like terms to simplify any further. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.